a little bit of a problem at this point. The butter was not hot enough to melt my chips as much as I need it to. So I had to put the chips in the microwave and microwave it at like 10 to 15 second bursts. So I just needed to get it melted. Just if that happens, just go ahead, pop it in the microwave and see if microwaving it in those 10 to 15 second bursts will help, but don't do it longer than that and don't walk away from it just because you risk like scorching your chocolate, and we don't want that.